Now let's learn how to enable notification history. If we enable this notification history option, we can read our past notifications in one place. For example, if someone sent a WhatsApp message to you, after when he delete it, we cannot read the WhatsApp message. But if we already enabled this notification history option, we can read his WhatsApp message using our notification history area. Let's learn how to enable this feature. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and click on notifications option. In here, click on notification history option. You can enable it in here. After, you can see your all notifications on this area.